I'm Bill, and this is FlatBroke Garage, and I want to thank you for tuning in. If you're first-time viewer, thanks for coming. If you've been watching, I think it's great. I appreciate you guys watching, getting a couple comments. That's cool. If you do like the videos, please subscribe and like down in the thing. You get some more. I'm going to do some road trips. We're doing Route 66 in about 2 weeks. It'll be middle of January. Yeah. So basically, we're doing something different. We're going on the road. I'm headed to Gainesville, Georgia, to pick up parts for my 71 Torino Forgotten Project. I could have them shipped, but here's the problem. Twofold. First one is, if any of you have ever had the UPS truck show up at your house and the driver get out to unload your order with a dolly, and your wife just happens to be around, eyebrows will be raised, questions will be asked. It gets complicated. Second fold, once you put steel in a box and go to ship it, it gets a little spendy. So I did some Googling. They're about 2 hours away. I could use some windshield therapy, take the Jeep out for a drive, and we're going to head over there and see what they got. All right, guys. Well, check out where I finally made it to. I am at AMD. Auto Metal Direct. This place is freaking huge. It is unbelievable. The old Jeep did well. Let's walk inside, check it out. They got everything here. They make entire shells. They just make some just really high quality stuff here. This is AMD. This place makes square body Chevys. Boom. How about a 1963 Galaxy? The complete shell. Minus the roof. They don't stamp her roof yet, but check this out. These guys make really quality stuff. Really heavy gauge steel. And it is stamped just like the factory stampings. Kind of hard to tell with all the black. What's nice about this place is they also make the obscure, kind of hard to find stuff. I have a 71 Torino, which we all know, and they actually make the inner cowl. All these cowls rot out. Check this out. Look at that. Mine doesn't look that bad, but check this out. I had no idea anybody's reproducing these. So, yeah. Now I gotta go get my parts. There it is, man. My parts. Who would have thought they actually made this thing? How awesome is this? Well, I'm back from AMD, and I got my part, and I got it cut up. I really don't need the whole part to go over the trans tunnel and everything. So, just kind of cutting the sections I need. Show you what I got. They had originally cut the floors out when it was in the body shop, but they had not cut the toe boards out. I cut out what remained of the toe boards. Like I said, my trans tunnel's good. I'm making me little sections here. Bring you around. Starting to get this test fitted in. I gotta trim that a little bit more to fit. My floor pans, which should be better than the junk that came with this, should be here today, so I can finish test fitting the rest of it in here and getting it all lined up. But I tell you what, this AMD stuff, it's just, I mean, it just lines right up. I mean, look at those lines. It's perfect. So you can't argue with quality. They might be a little bit more, but you're going to be struggling with that other cheap stuff. This is just, it just fits right in. So if you want to see how the rest of my floor project goes, like I said, the rest of it should be in. I'll be putting a video up of trying to get the floor in and line it up. Now, keep in mind, I am not a body man. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a regular guy. I mean, doing the best I can, common sense, YouTube videos, just taking my time. I'm not affiliated with AMD. They didn't give me anything to say anything about them or go in their place. I think their stuff is really cool. They give me a really snazzy sticker. But I mean, other than that, I mean, I just like working with good stuff. You know, so if you like it, like I said, subscribe. You can like whatever and follow along. We'll be putting the floors in. If you got any comments, let me know what you think. If you see anything that could help me,